running in a race, 100 miles an hour chase, trying to get to first place, leaving not a single trace of who they used to be, for a life they see on screen. But that ain't my reality, that ain't my kind of scene. I'd rather sip my coffee slow, watch the lazy river flow, let my own dots grow, plant a seed and watch it grow. They can have their frantic rush, their adrenaline can crush. I'm happy in the quiet hush, no need to push.
I'm living at my own tempo, a sweet and soft crescendo. Don't need to join the frenzy, that's not what I am meant for. This piece is my treasure, my own kind of pleasure. Living at my own tempo, forever and ever.
My phone is on silent, don't need the constant charm. I'm reclaiming all my energy, I'm reclaiming all my time. They call it being lazy, I call it being smart.